my family immigrated to the United States when I was in high school. I just always want to be serve country or be part of it. That's part of the reason I joined the Marine Corps.
I had the honor and privilege of representing Paul and his wife in conjunction with their immigration matters. And what stands out in my mind about Paul is his service to this country, and a story that's untold unless you hear from him directly.
From boot camp, I got stress fracture on my femur neck. My medical officer gave me an option if I want to stay back and take care of office work, or if I can just go overseas with them, with the rest of my unit to fight for the country.
When I first met Paul, he couldn't even look me in the eye. He couldn't look anyone in the eye because his PTSD and TBI was so bad from what he experienced overseas. But Paul, in my mind, is a real warrior, and that's what stands out.
I was so scared because hit by IED, and I got many pieces of shrapnels on my face and my arms, but I asked my company first sergeant that if I can deny or reject my Purple Heart.
Heard from a man who refused the Purple Heart. That says a lot about Paul and what he went through overseas and what he continues to go through here.
I got a general under honorable condition discharge. It has so many limits that I can get benefits or taken away, especially my GI bills that I've been paid for. I couldn't collect that. So I couldn't go to school. Felt like I was abandoned.
I just woke up one morning and started crying. Because even though I really wanted to help him, I didn't know where to start. Because of our financial situation and my immigration status, even with an RN license, I was not allowed to work in the United States.
His story to me is remarkable, not only because of his service, but because of what he's been able to accomplish in his own personal life. 5 months since I've known him, Paul and his wife now have no immigration worries whatsoever. Paul can be relieved of the burden of carrying around the fear that his wife would have to go back to Korea. There's people who don't understand what they've seen, what they went through, what they continue to see. As a public servant, it makes me feel horrible. We owe these people, Paul, his brothers and sisters in the military, a huge debt of gratitude. They're not to be left alone. They're not to feel that way.
80% of combat veteran suffers from PTSD and other mental conditions. They shouldn't be left like that. They really need help. They're great people. They're people who serve for their country. And after returning back home, they struggle to get back to normal life. Please help. Please help Veterans Legal Institute so they can continue to help many other veterans.
Please help these veterans. We will continue to do so, and we implore you to continue to do so as well. Thanks for coming tonight.